our new exhibition in Zhejiang Province, Ningbo City, and let's see our new showroom. You can see it, this is our triple colleague, and this is the lunch brand here. Yes, it will be fine. This is our brand, the Tree Hero colleague. It's been like a lunch brand. And the can you you can see it. Okay. And this is our standard colleague, fiddly. This wrap can't put here. Just can't this. So it's cheaper than this one. It's cheaper than this one. Okay. And this is our 1.8 fiddly. The high is 1.8. Next. Here is 3.5 ton. Also we have 4 ton capacity. Let's see our view line machine. This view line machine is HX1, and this machine is very fast in our country and in our country, even Europe and maybe Vietnam or South Africa. And this is our 5-tower free machine. And our machine is very high quality. You can see it is very, very large. That's it. It's very, very large. It's very high quality technique. And this is our spare goods, as you see the painting room. And this is aluminum door and 4-door. It's very high quality glass. And come here. This is our ramp and the basement. Also our ramp can put in out painting room. And this is our electric heating system. This is electric heating system. And you can see this our LED slide light. One side has 4 steps. So 2 sides is total 8 steps. It's very, very great in your painting room. And let's go to see our standing room. This is our standing room. And here you can customize PVC curtains. If you like this one type, you can customize this one. Also, you can customize the wardrobe panel. It's okay. We have optional. And let's go to see our paint mixing room. This is our paint mixing room. It's nearly our painting room. And as you can see, it's paint mixing room, painting room, and the standing room. And this is our motor and the main equipment, just like the wheel balancer and the tire changer is here. Yes, you can see that we have standard one, also we have auto luxury one. This is very luxury one, have LCD screen. This is TH90E model. And I want to suggest you this model. This model is Y450, and this model is a combo set. Have tire list, tire changer. This is tire changer is automatic. The luxury one is THC577 model. And if you want to see video, I can show you. And this one is THY008 model. It's very hot popular in every country. It's most of customer can we will choose this one. And this model is MC8801. Yeah, this one is very normal one, and this one also very cheap. Okay. And this model is $1,180 net combo set. This is TH7060, and this one is THY601A model. And this combo is very popular in Europe country because it's very cheap and automotive. Purpose colleague is used with our wheel line machine. This wheel line machine. And this wheel line machine can move down and up. This can down and up. It's automotive. And I will show you where is turntable. is 13th floor. Come here. We have lock here. This is our tour set. Manufacturer in this brand, and this is CT500 model. And this is CT2000 model. If you need a GDI function, I suggest you choose this one, CT500, because this CT200 don't have GDI function. Okay, these are our small tours in our exhibition room. So if you need the other tours, you can ask me and I will show you our tour catalog for you. And this is our exhibition in Ningbo City at Treasure Africa. And this is our partner in China, SBI. Uniland is very famous. And this place is their car repair shop behind our showing room. And their all equipment is buying from our factory, so they are very great cooperation with us for many years. And you can see this one is the topaz college and clear floor topaz college in here. This water is repair on the customer cars now. You can see it. And you can see here is the painting room and the standing room here. They use the standard one, it's not the luxury one. And this is the 2-tower frame machine. And this is the large city lift in here. It's almost a car repair shop visit. And this is also electric log clear floor to Pascal lift. Okay, if you are interested in our factory any item, you can contact me anytime. We should have